Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to get a professional sounding audio for your YouTube video or for any video at all that you are making. You don't need an expensive microphone or expensive studio equipment for you to get this. This is completely free and 100% AI. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, I'm going to assume you just finished making your video. But there's something you notice about this video. You don't like the audio, or there's echo in your room, or maybe there's noise and you want those noise to be filtered, or maybe even your video the audio do not have enough depth in it. I'll teach you how to have a professional sounding audio. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go over to podcast.adobe.com. Now click on this first tab, this Adobe Podcast. This is it. So if you don't have an account here, it's going to ask you to create an account. But since I already have an account, as you can see over here, I'm already logged in. So go over to here and click on Enhance Speech. So once you click on Enhance Speech, you go over here and you choose your files. Now you select your video. You are going to see this message pop up. It says upgrade to enhance video. So since we are using a free account, this is what you are going to do. You don't need to pay any dime to enhance your video. I'll show you how to get audio from your video and enhance it for free. So let's close this part and let's go over to our video editor. I'm using InShot to edit my video because I like the interface of InShot, how easy it is, and I understand it better. So we click over, then we go to the video that we want to enhance. I'm going to use this video as an example. We click on it. As you can see,
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today
the audio has not been enhanced. So there's echoes and there's some background noise that I would like to fix. Here is what I do. Come over here and click on blank. Now you have created a blank page. So what you're going to do is to extract the audio from our video and put it onto this blank page. I'll click on the video, and guys, this works for any other video editor you're using. If you're using CapCut or KineMaster, InShot, or what have you, you can click on your video and extract the audio from your video. So that is what we are going to do. So we go over here to the volume, click on this page that says extract audio. So we extract the audio from our video. Now we have our audio separated from our video. Now we'll take this audio that we extract and put it on, we move it all the way to the beginning and put it on the blank page. So now you can delete the video without the audio. So that is what we are going to do now. We're going to delete this previous video. Now it doesn't have the audio anymore. So we have put the audio on a blank page. Now I've deleted it. I'm going to stretch this blank page to the end of the audio needed. So now that you have this, the next thing you do, you click on export. Reduce the quality to 720p, since the only thing you're exporting is just a blank screen. And what you need from here on is to convert this video that you have made into an audio file. So we export. It's converting the video. So now that we have converted our video to a blank screen video, so that we can then turn that blank screen video into an audio file or an MP3 file, then we can now enhance it in Adobe Enhance. Since Adobe Enhance only supports audio because we are using a free version, this is what we are going to do. Enter Zamza Video Converter, search for it, and you click on MP4 to MP3. That is, now we want to convert our video to an MP3 file. I'll click on that. we choose the file. Now you have to choose the blank file that we just did. This is our blank file, so we choose it. We're going to turn it to an MP3. Then we click convert now. Guys, this is totally free. You won't pay a dime for this. Convert now. So wait while our file is converting. As you can see here, it's trying to convert it to MP3 file. Now we have our file ready. Guys, the reason why I asked you to make a blank screen video is that you cannot convert, when you are done editing your video, you cannot convert that file to MP3 because the file is large. So it won't be able to convert on any MP4 to MP3 video converter. It won't be able to convert. Most times when you are done editing, your file is about 1 point something gig, 2 gig and thereabout. So you need a blank screen, so the file size will be very low and you'll be able to convert it online for free. So now I've downloaded my converted file. Next place I have to go back to is to Adobe Podcast. Now I click on Enhance. Choose file. I go to the audio download and I choose this audio file that I just downloaded. Now this is the audio of our video. As you can see, it's enhancing the speech now. Now that is done, we click on download and now we download the enhanced audio or the enhanced file. We download it now. So as you can see, it's 100% free. Great, our file is downloaded. So now we have to go back to our video editor and replace this audio that we just downloaded now with the audio of the video we were editing. I hope you guys understand. Now I've gone back to InShot. I'm going to open the video editor. I'm going to the video that I want to enhance. I'm going to add the enhanced audio to it. I'll click here and I'll click on audio. Click on music. Click on my music and you can see here, this is the InShot enhanced file. So guys, now that I've added the enhanced audio, we need to go to this video, tap on it and mute the video. Okay, so we are going to leave only the enhanced audio playing. With the video, the audio on the video will be muted. I really hope you understand me and what I'm getting at. So I'm going to play it for you to see the difference.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be
As you can see, this video sound way clearer,
giving you a
has a better output, has been denoised and all the echoes has been removed. So guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find more creative ways to use it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.